Hey everyone, Amtrak and C6 here, and we got Amtrak, Lakeshore 48, probably was 110, close to like 11, 56, 57.
334.0. Track 1. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost
He'll be appearing in a few minutes or 2 minutes or so.
Track 2.
He's going through the Cookville area. Yep, there he is.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 302.6. Track 1. 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 5. 6. End of transmission. Amtrak 4A. No defects at Kirk. 78
There it goes. And then, sorry, it was at 110. I saw 110 last night on the, yesterday that, I saw on someone else's channel on the 49, and I saw that meant, it was gonna be on the 48 today, but, no, because they probably took it off at Albany last night, and then put on 107 for the run, and then that was 107 again. Yeah, we caught this time. Now it's on 48.